Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we were talking, 2026 is the year of the fixing of Windows 11 and hopefully fixing for good so that users will have what they really want in the system for the tweaks that they will add and change. And one of the things that's probably as the most is a redesigned start menu that is different and more customizable than what we have right now. So on this machine, after I came back from the Insider Rings, I'm still stuck with the original start menu, which is kind of weird that they are not offering me the new one. Of course, the new one is redesigned. It has folders. It has a different way of making you view things. Now, the thing is, a lot of people still are kind of not happy with a lot of the things missing on this start menu. One of the requested features is the fact that it'd be fun to resize the start menu the way we want. If you guys remember in Windows 10, we could resize the menu pretty much any way we wanted. But it seems that this is something that is coming eventually this year. Microsoft did confirm that the Windows team is working on more designs and more redesigns of the start menu, including more customization and the ability to, of course, resize. I mean, this probably forced a lot of people to use third-party software to have the start menu the way they want. And I know a lot of people are using that to, change things around. So this is in an effort to try to have people enjoy and like the start menu a little more on Windows 11. So, coming soon to a PC near you at, probably 26H2. Different ways of customizing the start menu, including resizing the start menu. And of course, we all know that the taskbar is also going to be available to move everywhere. And it will also be customizable. You'll be able to drag the edge and make it bigger or smaller. So lots of things that people want and that should be coming eventually later this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.